Here we have exceptional value in the Brock Commodore range. A Commodore Red VC Brock Commodore, build number 210 at $55,000. The car has had its original engine enhanced. It has VN heads, putting out some 350 horsepower. It's also had T5 5-speed manual gearbox added. Very quick car, extremely neat, and as I say, exceptional value for what they are. These cars are regularly fetching $60,000 to $70,000 and beyond, so $55,000, a numbers car that would suit somebody who would look to enjoy it as is, or otherwise quite readily take it back to its original state. $55,000 VC Brock Commodore in Commodore Red, build number 210. The car has travelled some 116,000 kilometres from new, has had brand new paint and looks $1 million. Can be viewed in our Sydney facility. It's one we recommend you have a look at if you're looking at Brock Commodores.